Sokhons.
Hello everyone, welcome back with me in the forest. Find a wild fruit to eat together with me everyone. So now I'm bring everyone walk in the forest one more because I want to find the wild fruit. Give everyone to know and eat the wild fruit. Give everyone to know. So when everyone walk the forest and see the wild fruit that eat in the forest, so everyone can to catch it, take it, go to eat. Yeah, let's go together with me everyone. The forest. Gonna see the wild fruit, find the wild fruit, find the wild fruit to eat in the forest. So bring everyone about the forest, give everyone to know in the forest. Everyone see a lot of tree, a lot of natural tree, natural leaf, natural fruit. So now walk in the forest, find the wild fruit, catch it to eat. So everyone can see a lot of wild fruit, a lot of trees. Can you see everyone? Let's go together with me in the forest. Wow, I found the wild fruit. Everyone, let's go to find the wild fruit in the forest and catch it to eat together with me. Let's go. So everyone know in the forest a lot of something, a lot of tree, a lot of wild fruit, a lot of vegetable, natural in the forest. So it is so cool. See in the forest everyone. To see. Wow, find the wild fruit to eat and each other. The natural in the forest. So today I'm bring everyone walk in the forest, find a wild fruit. Let's go together. You see a lot of wild fruit. You see a tree, the big tree everyone. Can you see already? Oh, the big tree everyone. Wow, the big trees. Can you see everyone? Oh my god, the big tree. Can you see? This forest, a lot of big trees, everyone. You see everyone, can you see? Wow. The grass, the leaf, can you see the leaf? The leaf, we can't eat the leaf, this one everyone. So it is bitter and sour, a little bitter and sour, little sour. The big trees, small tree, and the grass, small bamboo, lot of and the birds cries in the forest. So everyone to hear the big tree. Everyone can see this one, the big tree. Wow, the big tree. Can you see everyone? The big tree, this one. So everyone, about the forest, can you see a lot of big tree, a lot of tree. This one, the big trees. Oh my god, the big trees. This one, everyone. Nice. Oh, shout the beer. On us, the everyone. Let's see this one, the big tree. Trees. See everyone, this the big fruit. This one, everyone. We can't eat this fruit, everyone. So everyone eat. Everyone can to die. This one, this fruit, everyone. Can you see this fruit? This one, no can to eat. So cold in the forest, everyone. Wow. And bring everyone for the forest. Going to see a lot of natural in the forest. The forest, a lot of forest, something, a lot of forest, everyone. Can you see this one? The natural, we can't eat this tree, we can't eat. So we can to vegetable, make the soup, make the fries with beef, with the pork. This one, everyone, the vegetable like this. Oh, the forest is so cold, everyone, from the forest. So everyone here, the birds cry, a lot of birds in the forest cry, and all the trees. So I'm bring everyone to know a lot of trees. Can you see a lot of trees? A lot of the fruit, all of something in the forest. Let's go. One more, everyone. You see a lot of. Everyone. This big tree, everyone. You see. So how the rain upstairs the trees, the big tree, everyone. Can you see this one? Wow. See. See. The forest. Wow. Let's see the mushroom on trees. Everyone knows the forest, a lot of trees, a lot of something. So today I'm bringing everyone back the forest. One more, find a wild fruit to eat. Together with me. So the forest, a lot of vegetables, leaf, vegetable trees, a lot of trees. a lot of wild fruit. So I'm fine. The wild fruit eat. Give everyone to know. So everyone walk the forest can to see the wild fruit that I'm eat. Give everyone to know. Everyone can to catch it, take it, go to it at the home with the families, with the wife, with the children. All the people can do it together with them. So I'm not yet see the real fruit. Catch it. I want to find. I'm finding the real fruit. I'm finding the real fruit. Not yet see the real fruit, everyone. So everyone walk the forest with me. I don't see the anymore. I don't need it anymore. So I don't meet anymore in the forest. So I'm find the real fruit, everyone. The river is so cold, everyone. You can see the mushroom, the sea. The river not yet to see, so I want to find. So I'm bringing everyone walk the forest together with me. A lot of in the forest. So cold, everyone. In the forest, so cold, everyone. Everyone know the forest so cold. Oh wow! The grass name, small bamboo. Wow, the big tree, everyone, can you see? Wow, the big tree, everyone. Not yet see the real fruit, so I'm fine. I'm bring everyone. Now the big tree, a small tree. So this one, the big tree, everyone, can you see this one? The big tree, everyone, can you see? Wow, the big tree, everyone. Let's go one more, everyone. See. This is the mushroom tree, everyone. Can you see this one? So cool! Wow, the big mushroom tree. So everyone water body, can you see? Oh, the body, yellow the body, everyone. The mushroom like this. So the smell. Smells so good, everyone. This one, the mushroom. This is mushroom tree, everyone. Can you see this one? So everyone walk the forest. Everyone walk the forest. Can you see the mushroom tree? A lot of trees, a big tree, small tree. So this one, the mushroom tree, everyone. Can you see this one? Wow. Let's go, everyone. The forest one. The wildfruit. Bring everyone find the wildfruit to eat together with me in the forest. So everyone can see this vegetable. The leaf we can to eat, everyone. Small bitter and small sauce. So I will tell everyone and bring everyone walk the forest, find the wildfruit to eat together with me. So now I want to find the wildfruit in the forest, so the big forest. Go to see everyone. See the forest. Find the wildfruit. Cut it to eat together with me. Oh my God! In the forest, a lot of sound, especially the bird sound. Oh, wow. The people on the trees. Don't see the wildfruit here. The wildfruit, not see the wildfruit. Also, can you see everyone? Bring everyone find the wildfruit in the forest to eat together with me. So call everyone. Oh my God, this one the forest. Everyone can see this. The wildfruit like this. Wow. This is the yellow and red color fruit. To see everyone. Oh my God. Everyone can see the wildfruit. This one, everyone. To see the wildfruit. Wow. So this fruit we can to eat, everyone. So everyone walk the forest can to see the wildfruit like this. Everyone can to catch it, take to eat. Yes. So it is we can to catch it, take it, go to eat, everyone. Okay. Oh, wow. Catch together with me, everyone. The wildfruit. So this fruit, it is the wildfruit. So its name anal fruit, everyone. So the leaves anal and the flower anal, everyone can to eat. The bud anal, everyone can do it when everyone walk the forest can to see this fruit and live this fruit. Everyone can to eat, catch the leaf and the fruit and the bud, take it, go to eat, everyone. This one. outside this fruit the strong, so the body in the body so have the bodies we can to eat. So this fruit the it is bitter, everyone. Wow, very bitter, everyone. Very bitter, very bitter, this fruit. So everyone, cut the fruit, and now together with me, everyone. This one, can you see, everyone? So now we cut together with me, everyone, another fruit. Can you see this fruit, everyone? Oh my God! Oh wow! Strong. Can you see this one? Wow! Oh! Can you see, everyone? Like this? Wow! And now brought in the forest, so everyone walk the forest. Can you see? So everyone walk the forest. Can you see this one? So this one. And now brought everyone in the forest. You see, everyone. Oh my God, everyone! Can you eat together with me the fruit, so name and now? Wow, we can eat in the body this fruit, everyone. Wow, very bitter, everyone. Bitter. So strong, everyone. Wow. Wow. See the red color of the fruit, and now, everyone. So strong. Wow, so strong. Thank you, everyone. So I'm sorry, everyone, to know this fruit. So everyone walk the forest and this fruit, everyone can to eat, can to cut it and take it, go to eat, everyone, this fruit. So the smell, so it is this fruit is bitter, everyone. The bitter, everyone, this fruit. So every part of body can you see this fruit, everyone can to eat. This fruit we can to eat, so everyone walk the forest can to see this fruit, everyone can to take it or cut it take it, go to it, everyone. So name and now fruit in the forest. So the flower are now, the leaf are now, the buds are now can to eat everyone of the forest. So I'm so everyone to know this fruit. Thank you everyone. Thank you. I'm sure everyone to know this fruit. So name and now fruit. Might call and now fruit everyone. Thank you. Thank you.